To introduce myself to you. I am Advocate Manila, initials S. I am from the Directorate of the Investigating Directorate Against Corruption. Your Worship, some of my learned friends have not also had the opportunity to introduce themselves to you. Once I place the matter on the records, I'm sure they will introduce themselves to you.
Okay. But I think I met you, Advocate, previously. Yeah. In the courtroom as well. Yeah, I met you before.
Thank you, Your
It
Worship.
might be the hairstyle probably that
Yes.
might have changed from the bench. But
Probably my learned friends
Yeah.
give me some grey hair, Your Worship.
Yeah.
It's good to see his memory is fading a bit.
You can proceed, Advocate.
Thank you. Your Worship, State calls case SCC C23 of 2025 in the matter of State versus Anod Singh, Brian Molefe, Siyabonga Gama, Tamsankwe Giane, and Malusi Gigaba. Your Worship, may I place the matter on record? Today is the 30th of January 2026. The presiding officer is Ms. Soko Rantau. The prosecutor is Advocate S. Manilaw. There's no interpreter required. The clerk is Ms. Molabe. For accused number 1 is Advocate Vandan Hieva. For accused number 2 is Advocate Mpofu, SC. For accused number 3 is Advocate Olwich. For accused number 4 is Mr. Volmerans. For accused number 5 is Mr. Kuri. May I have leave to hand in the charge? Your Worship, all accused are present this morning. Accused number 1, 2, 3, and 4 are on bail. Accused number 5 is on warning.
Yes, sir.
Your Worship, on the last court occasion, the matter on the 18th of November last year, the matter was postponed for today for two purposes. The first purpose was for the issue of further disclosure, and the second issue was for the state to serve indictments on the accused so that the matter could be transferred to the High Court. Worship, on the matter of disclosure, on the last occasion, all accused were informed to hand in the hard drives so that we could add the further disclosure of the evidence to them. Your Worship, accused number 1 and 4 handed in their hard drives, which is in the state's possession, and we are busy copying the further evidence on the hard drives for them. Accused number 2 and 3 have not returned their hard drives, so the further evidence has not been copied on the hard drives for them. And accused number 5 has not supplied a hard drive at this point. The hard drives requested from the accused was a 5 terabyte hard drive, and accused number 5 has not supplied such a hard drive to us for purposes of making disclosure to them. Your Worship, this morning the state has served a notice of trial and the indictment on the accused through their legal representatives. All the legal representatives have signed for the notice of trial and the indictment. Your Worship, may I have leave to hand in the notice of trial and the indictment to the court.
Thank you. When
Your
was it
Worship,
served on the defense?
It was served this morning, Your Worship.
Proceed, sir.
Your Worship, in essence, we have complied with the 10 days required to serve an indictment on the accused, the notice and the indictment on the accused. Your Worship, as per the notice of trial, the matter is to be transferred to the High Court on the 12th of February 2026, and for the accused to appear in the High Court at 8 a.m. in the morning.
Which date?
On the 12th of February 2026. Your Worship, at this point we have not established precisely which court. Your Worship, I understand that a roster will be placed at the High Court, and on that morning we will know exactly which particular court the accused will have to appear. I'm sure the legal representatives will guide the accused accordingly to the appropriate court on that morning. Worship, may the charge sheet be endorsed accordingly for the accused to appear in the High Court on the 12th of, in the High Court Gauteng, Your Worship, Johannesburg Central. Thank you, Your Worship. If there's anything else that Your Worship would like to hear me.
Let me start with you, Advocate van der Heek.
May it please the court, Your Worship, again I confirm my appearance on behalf of accused number 1, Mr. Singh. My instructing attorney is Mr. Tepo Matopo. He's present in court. We confirm that we were indeed provided with the indictments in this matter, and we confirm that the date is being conveyed to us. My client is on bail. I ask that his bail be extended. May it please the court.
Advocate Mpofu.
As God pleases, Your Worship, yes, I confirm firstly my appearance on behalf of accused number 2. I am familiar with the matter, Your Worship. I have been involved, although it's my first appearance. Previously, I was sending my junior counsel. I do confirm as well, my learned friend, that the service of the notice of trial and indictment. I appear with my learned friend, Ms. Coco, who's my junior advocate. As far as the date is concerned, I just received instructions. If Your Worship can just give me an indulgence. I've just received instructions regarding the compliance or alleged non-compliance with the 10-day period.
Okay.
As God pleases.
You can approach. It's okay.
If Your Worship can just give me further indulgence.
All right, you
just
can
to
approach your
my
colleague.
As the court pleases, Your Worship, the matter has been clarified. Yeah.
Okay, you're happy with the 10-day period?
Yes, Your Worship.
And you confirm the date?
The 12th,
Okay.
the availability of the 12th. That's correct, Your Worship. In fact, I'm doing so because instead of relying on my junior and my attorney, I think I'm going to count it myself.
Okay, you counted. Thank
But my
you.
learned friend has given me the assurance that it's been properly counted.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
As God pleases.
Thank you. Advocate Ulrich.
Your Worship, I'm going to snug up to my colleagues on this side of the courtroom.
Okay.
Maybe we'll receive some indulgences from them.
Yeah.
Your Worship, I act for Mr. Gama. I'm not going to deal with the housekeeping issues in relation to the hard drives. I don't think that's necessary. Those issues will be resolved between the respective legal teams, and I note and agree to the date for my client to appear in the High Court. Thank you, Your Worship.
And you also confirm that you were served with the indictment?
My client was, I wasn't.
Yeah, there was service.
There was
On-
service, but I wasn't
Alright.
served, yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
The state said it was served on the legal representatives. Hence, I'm saying that you confirm that it was served on you because the indictment has to be personally served. That's my understanding. All right, let's come to Mr. Marantz.
Good morning, Your Worship. Your Worship, I confirm my appearance on behalf of accused number 4. Just a correction, Your Worship, I'm standing in for Mr. Vormrans.
It's
My initials is CJH, surname is Small, practicing at Oracle and Associates. Your Worship, I confirm that we received the indictment and that the date of the 12th is in order, as the court pleases.
Thank you.
Your Worship.
Mr. Corey.
Oh, I'll come at the
All
end.
right, yeah. Mr. Corey.
Your Worship, before I would give my colleague the indulgence, Your Worship.
No, you can address. I'll give advocate.
Thank you, Your Worship. I confirm my appearance on behalf of Dr. Gigaba, Your Worship, accused number 5 in the matter. Your Worship, I also confirm receipt of the indictment being served this morning. And the date is suitable with both me and my client, Your Worship. And Your Worship, my client is here on warning on a J175 summons, Your Worship.
Thank you, sir. Advocate Mpofu.
Yes, Your Worship, I hate to be difficult, but unfortunately, we've just now looked at the days, and indeed, the 10-day period is not complied with on our calculation. Maybe my learned friend can convince us otherwise. In our understanding, is the normal method of excluding the first day and including the last day. And if that is so, then it's 9 as court pleases. Because it's next Thursday, it's Thursday a week as court pleases.
Thank you. All right. Advocate, let me hear compliance with your 10 days. Service.
Thank you, Your Worship. So, Your Worship, the state calculated the 10 days, the first day being today, the 30th.
I think when you calculate days, we exclude that date,
The first day.
but you include the last day.
Yes, correct.
So if that's so, Your Worship, it's a date that we obtained from the clerk of the High Court, considering their role and when best to accommodate this particular matter.
Is it possible that I can stand it down? Are the other legal representatives in
Your
this
Worship,
matter
is-
agree
is-
that there was, just want to make sure before I stand it down, that
Your
we
Worship,
are, yes,
I beg your
advocate?
pardon. According to the Act, it's if the defense consents to an earlier date, a shorter service, then it's acceptable as well.
I agree that there is agreement with the other legal representatives considering that there is possibility of short service from Advocate Mpofu. Let's look at it. Does it comply with the 10 days? And if it does not, let's deal with that aspect.
As the court pleases,
I
Your
can
Worship.
stand the matter down to clarify that.
As the court pleases. Thank you for the indulgence.
All right, thank you. All right, matter will stand down.
As court pleases.